Hi brother and sister, this is Al-Lami with Smoke Cigar Kuwait on Outdoor Tuesday meditation, and my therapist is Ramon Allones Macedonian, 2011 release, only 1,000 bucks. Ring gauge is 52 by 135, beautiful light caramel color wrapper, and this is the cap, the foot here. There is no soft spot at all. This with me for a long time ago, since they released it. And let's see, beautiful soury wrapper aroma, and the foot is roasted nut. I fire this beauty and celebrate my Tuesday. So do you. Enjoy your smoke. Stay with me. Salute. Back again. We will cut this beautiful cigar. We're using the limited edition icon. Aged limited. Always concentrate and immediately. Don't hesitate, because if you hesitate, you will crack your cigar. You will have a problem. This is so beautiful cut. Let's see the draw. Amazing draw, as I expected. Stay tuned, we'll fire this beautiful. Back again, we'll fire this beautiful. Today we're gonna use soft flame. Beautiful, we'll take it easy. I always take care of my beauties. Let it step by step. Only touch the eye, only touch the face, and you can feel it. It will start smoky. Take your time, nobody behind you. I always say that. Then you puff outside like that. Turn the cigar. Keep the first puff and then you blow. Beautiful start. Not aggressive, so mellow. Stay with me. We'll see what this beautiful cigar gets. Hi brothers and sisters, back to you again with the Macedonian. It's a beautiful start until now, and you can see this is the burn. It's approximately equal. There is no problem in the burn. And the draw. Amazing. Not loose 100% and not tight. The start was cedary, so mellow, so amazing, and followed with a roasted nut, and now earthy flavor. The first, third, great combination. You can find it in the store. Anyway, Ramon have a great reputation between the Cuban cigars on the draw, on the flavors, and on the burn, and etc. But this one, it was only 1,000 bucks, and nobody noticed it. It's vanished immediately. I don't know how many people they have it. because they didn't expect it to be good like that. So I kept my stash. So beautiful, and the mellowness. I always take care of my cigars. I don't know for other people, but I take care of my cigars. So this is being saved very well, and I am enjoying it, and I am sharing it with you. Stay with me. We'll complete the journey. Back again with the Macedonian. This is the start of the second third. The ash little bit bent, but I don't have a problem. I'm enjoying the ride. Second third start leathery, and now there is a little spiciness in between. Let's see where they're gonna close the second third. And the throw still amazing. The construction is great. The bend. This can happen with any cigar, but you can see the ash. And beautiful aftertaste. Let's do my chocolate and chit chat everything. Some people they like to age cigars, but they age the cigars and they forget it. You don't buy cigars and keep it. You need to enjoy it. Every year you smoke, every 2 years you smoke, every 3 years you smoke. Then you will enjoy your cigars. Don't waste your money. Don't think on selling your aged cigar. Enjoy it. Maybe you will get an offer you cannot refuse. This is different. But age and enjoy. This is my pick. I do that. Money is not everything. We are men, we don't enjoy that much. This is our happiness and enjoyment. How to age? It's a prefer to keep the temperature and the humidity settled. No fluctuation. You don't move the cigar that much, just you shovel a little bit every month, every 2 months, and keep it subtle. More reduce the temperature, it's more amazing. It will hibernate and perspire the soul, and you will see the result every year. This is the result. Anyway, I want to talk about something just I will take from your time. Lately on Instagram, people evaluate you on how much followers. Is the value of my personality? No. The personality is by who I am and what I am giving. Followers and it's not the value. So one stupid, ignorant guy, he said, who do you think yourself? You don't have even 10,000 followers, and you are giving advices, and you are giving suggestions, and you are pushing us. I didn't push anybody. I give my point of view. And if you don't like it, don't listen to it. Don't come to my page. But I was thinking so much. It's the mentality of people now value a person on how much follower he have. When we are going to to the wall. He shocked me. He's not gonna affect me. He will make me stronger. But never occurred my mind that I looking for high score of followers. I like the introduction. When I make a video, I like the people ask me and talk to me. The like is not important. If you make a like and you don't understand what I'm doing, this is nothing. And if you follow me and you are not in my sharing the passion with me, if we don't have a mutual interest and it's cigars, why you are following me? And then you will speak bullshit. Sorry for the word. So I will think twice if the people will value me on how much followers I have. For a long time I kept my Instagram private. Then when I changed it to corporate, it's becoming open. I will be happy to have followers share with me, interact with me, ask me about my info. I'm not that. I'm learning every day from you, from everybody who's sharing the passion of cigars. Every day I'm learning. Every day there is an info. So this is something annoying me. I removed it from it. Back again to the Macedonian. Until now, so beautiful. I really say, with the spiciness. The start was so great, and now the earthiness came back again. So beautiful until now. Let's see what it's going to give us. I will enjoy it, and then I will come back to you. Thank you, my brothers. Back again with the Macedonian brother and sister. It's a tremendous ride. The bouquet of flavor is great. The earthiness is remaining on the second, third. I know so much people, they don't like the earthy flavor, but it's one of the signatures of the Cuban cigars. And I said before, if you want to age cigar, age it or smoke. Don't waste it and waiting to sell it. Enjoy your smoke and share your enjoyment with us. Anyway, this is what I reach. I know it's like a shrimps, but the burn is so sharp even, there is no problem, and the draw is amazing, and the color of the ash, I hope you will see it, and this is the draw. Ritu hair is so amazing, so enjoyment. It was a great ride. This is one of the few sticks of Ramon that everybody will remember, and it will hit your head. Yesterday, just suddenly, it's scratched my mind, and I looked for it, and it was between so many boxes. So I hope who have it, smoke it now. You will enjoy it. Anyway, let's put it upside down. I hope I can manage the upside down with this beautiful stick, and then we'll continue the ride with it. So it's a difficult challenge, but I hope it will success. Usually bent cigars is very difficult to balance. Slip. No problem. So somebody, the guy who's so this is not a challenge. Should be a balanced, but it was a great cigar. It was a great ride, and this is a great, because not every time it's a success, but for me it's a success because your support and the people honestly supporting me and sharing our info with each other. This is the Macedonian 2011, only 1,000 bucks. I enjoyed the outdoor meditation, and this is Al-Lami from Big Smoke Cigar Kuwait. Outdoor Tuesday. Yes. If you don't like it, let him unfollow me. Anyway, have a great Tuesday, everybody, and thank you again for your support.